Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your MOTO G Stylus 5G. And this is really easy to do. So I have my phone turned on. If I flip over my phone, there is a function button right here, and then the volume down button. We want to hold both those down until our phone completely turns off. So let's hold this down right now. Now it's going to take a screenshot. You can completely ignore that. Just continue to hold down those buttons and your phone should turn off after about 10 to 15 seconds. So keep holding them down right now until you see like a little Android guy on your screen. Then you can let go. Okay, now I'm going to go through the menu right here. So I'm going to use the volume down or up key. And I want to go to recovery mode. So let's go to recovery mode and then press this function button right here. And then it's going to restart my phone. And then we're going to eventually be brought back to the screen where we have to press the function button and the volume up button down. So let's press and hold the function button down and then tap volume up. So we're going to hold this down first and then tap volume up. Now we are brought to the Android recovery screen. So let's use the volume keys to go down. And we want to go to where it says, so here's wipe data factory reset. You want to go to this option and then press the power or function button right here. And this will completely erase all the data on your phone and restart it like it was new. If your phone is reset, you'll need to enter in the Google account information, email address, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So just go to this setting and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.